Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a what I decluttered video, and this is stuff that I've just decluttered here recently. This is in collaboration with my friend Joy. Her channel is Organized with Joy, and I'll be sure to link her channel down below. And also a couple other ladies are joining us this month, and they are Angie from Angie Perry Home and Tanya from House of Parkers, and I'll also have their videos linked down below. But I'm going to go ahead and take you and look in the back of my truck. That is where I have a lot of stuff that I am donating to a specific store here in our city. And so I'll go ahead and just show you what all I've gotten rid of there. Okay, so this is my second load. Actually, I didn't record the first load of stuff that I decluttered, but I've already taken it to a store here in town that does resale and has a good program. They actually do a lot with Operation Christmas Child, so I like to donate there. And so this is an album, a vinyl record, and let's see, I guess I really don't know, all your favorite bands, dolls, I don't know, but it's brand new in the wrapper, so I'm donating that. We got it out of a monthly subscription box. Here is a coat that Jason no longer wears. It is buckle, and it has like a distressed look, but it's like a puffer jacket. And then this is mostly just clothes, but I also have this I bought from Hobby Lobby to decorate the boys' room when they were little, but never finished really decorating it in that style, so it's time to get rid of that. More clothes. This is women's, men's, and some children's clothes. And then in here I have some random stuff, some earrings. I guess they'll go through everything and keep what they can sell, and I guess get rid of the stuff they can't. A little baby shark bag that we've never used, swimsuit, just some little sewing applique things. This is when I used to run races, I would use this little belt and put my phone and stuff in it. I no longer use that. Socks. This was a little cooler, and I think I have two in here that I used to pack breast milk in it when I nursed. Some flip-flops. Some more sewing stuff. Some ponytails or hair ties. What do you guys call them? We grew up calling them ponytails. Some kitchen utensils, butter knives, some books. And these are for jewelry making. I bought them for a craft that I like never even did, so time to get rid of those. More clothes. This is Hearth and Hand. It's like a little tray. I bought them and only needed one, and I use it to put my remote on, remote control for the TV, and so I don't need those. So I'm gonna pack all of this back and show you what else I'm getting rid of. I also have these two water bottles. They're glass. They're really cute, but I just don't use them, and so I'm going to get rid of those also. Do y'all remember my last declutter? This was when our dishwasher went out and I was having to hand wash everything, so I bought this. And I was supposed to declutter at the last video, and I guess I held on to it, but I'm finally getting rid of this too. We have this telescope that we've never used, or maybe they've used it once, but I'm going to try to get rid of this also. So this very dirty wastebasket that I use for in the garage, I want to get rid of this and get a new one because it has paint. It's torn. It's just really nasty. So do you ever find toys that are just random? Here's a toy. I don't know where they got it, but it's just random. There's no other pieces to it. They don't play with it, so I'm going to donate that. Here's a hat they no longer wear. Here's a small trash basket, waste basket. I'm also getting rid of it. I no longer need it. So there's another little start of a pile. So I keep bags like these Trader Joe's bags, and my camera is not focusing again. But you know, the ones with the handles, I'm sitting in my garage. That's why you saw my Christmas tree. But anyways, I use those bags to pack up stuff and take to the donation center. I have some more clothes here that I found. I usually stack everything up in the garage to donate and then wait until I get a large amount. So I have this shirt. This is a shirt. And then I already gathered these books. They're all little golden books. And I think most of these, pretty sure all of them, because I probably wouldn't get rid of any that I bought for the kids. But these are just some that I bought like secondhand that we kind of looked at or we didn't look at. And so I'm going to go ahead and donate those also. And let's see if I have anything else over here. I have this container of shoes that the boys no longer wear, and they're just shoes that I probably won't pass down to Jack. Too small for Luke and too small for Aiden. So those are going. I also have 2 of these buckets that I'm going to donate, and I'll probably just fill those with items that I don't want. This trunk we're donating. We actually got this for free. I really needed this for our trick or trunk Halloween thing that we did, but I didn't know our neighbors were getting rid of it at the time. But anyways, they had a yard sale and the boys saw it. It was free, so they grabbed it and they played with it for a little bit, but now it's just taking up space. And we're trying to get our garage back in order. That will be something we donate. Here's another toy that I just found that I'm donating. And then I found some more clothes, like I said, in a pile. It really wasn't hard to find stuff again because it's just out in the garage. That's why our garage got kind of junked up. But anyways, here's some more clothes I'm donating. A cookbook, a baby cart cover. Hope you guys enjoyed today's decluttering video. I have a lot more to declutter. Stick around for the next video. I'm going to be going through my garage and getting rid of tons more, but that's just a lot of stuff that I already had gone through and I had collected, and I pretty much have a full trunk of things to donate now. I'll get those taken to the thrift store and then start again. So can I say so anymore? But again, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button and also comment down below where you're coming from so I can say hi to you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.